Wait, is this cat actually taking a selfie? A cat is snapping photos with its owner, and what happens next is adorable. The surprising part, the cat is smiling and clearly enjoying every single shot. It poses, tilts its head, and flashes the cutest expression like it knows exactly what it's doing. Every pose, every smile, every tiny gesture is pure perfection. This cat isn't just photogenic, it's a natural star. If this made you smile, hit that like button, subscribe for more wholesome animal moments, and turn on notifications so you never miss the cuteness again.